This is when you acknowledge to your friends who were hating on you, like, Spankie, you never gonna finish that. You know what? I see you. Oh, she thought she would brush it? Somebody stop her. Hey friends, it's me, Spankie. Welcome to my face. And I did it, friends. For the first time ever, I tried doing an actual legit twist out. I'm gonna be real with you people. Alright, so this took like way longer than I thought that it would, because I was like, oh, I could do this whole thing in like a cute little hour. Ain't no big deal. So here's the deal. I'm gonna take you step by step from like the start when my hair is like one and it's gonna be quite a sight to see. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also tap the bell icon next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. Isn't that what we all wanted in life? More of my face coming to you. Service. Alright. Come here, microphone. Come here. Let's get real close and personal. I feel like one of those nighttime radio talk show hosts. You're watching KSVT Radio. We have got for you tonight a smooth hair tutorial. Let's go. Alright, so this is a YouTuber in her natural state as she's waking up, and just amazing lighting and set and everything. Here it goes. Alright, so normally in the morning I'm figuring out what am I doing with my life, and apparently I'm playing with my buns, I'm bouncing my buns, and now I'm gonna take down my buns because we gotta actually get something done today. Okay, girl, your hair looks so busted, and yes, I lost that bobby pin a week ago in my hair. That's okay. Alright, so here is this is a situation. Okay, pause for the cause. This is a beast. Sometimes it scares me in the morning. Has anybody actually been scared of their own hair or like anything orifices growing out of your body? Because I have. And then sometimes I feel like it's appropriate to play with it. I realize that this is not adult grown behavior and it's 2018. We're going to try to be a new person here. So here's all of the hair. This is all of it. And I'm about to spritz it down with a leave-in conditioner because that's what you got to do if you want to detangle it. Comb it through like a good girl. Just run that pick. Yes, Becky is she's getting detangled. Now, what I like to do is hold Becky with one of my hands while I'm combing it, and that will prevent hair from ripping out at the scalp. See, I only had one singular hair out of my comb after doing all of that because we gonna hold Becky down. She ain't gonna clap back, right? Becky is not gonna clap back while we are detangling. I'm sorry, that was probably really loud on this microphone. All right, so I'm combing through. I like to use a wide tooth comb on this beast because, yeah. And we gonna dab on them tangles, all right? We got them tangles out. We just, God, I need to stop doing that. That's just straight up embarrassing. Okay, Spankie. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You need to get on with this. They are waiting. These people. Yes, you. Yes, bitch. Yes. Okay. We gonna get the hair wet. I got a spray bottle. Y'all can do this. Dampen it in the shower. However you want to get your hair a little bit damp. Because we gonna deep condition right now. I like to do this before I wash my hair, most every time, because I don't wash my hair every day. I don't even wash it every like 3 days. I don't even wash it like okay, I probably don't need to share that information. Let's be real here. So I'm getting it damp, and I'm gonna run some of my deep conditioning treatment throughout my hair, and this is just something that like, especially as curlies, if y'all got that like natural curly hair, deep conditioning is your best friend, okay? You will FaceTime your deep condition. You're going to call her every day. You're going to send her text messages, ask how she's doing. That's the relationship that we got here, okay? I'm going to stick a little bonnet on there, and then usually I'm trying to figure out something to do. You know what I think would actually be really good? I think we need to have a staring contest. You blink, bitch. You blink. I need to calm down. Oh, we dancing now. Oh, get it. Yes. And apparently this is also a great time to take selfies and to send to your ex-boyfriends, because we all know that your ex-boyfriends need to know how you are doing since you moved on from them. And they need to see the glow up, okay? The glow. That ain't no glow up. I also like to apply a face mask, leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, and then bam, here we are. Hair's been washed. I really wish washing hair was that easy where I could literally just do my little Mufasa dance and like bam, because washing hair is like my least favorite thing. Honestly, I hate it so much, probably because my hair is just like too long. Oh, I hate it so much. Like it is my least favorite thing. Is like that and like oatmeal raisin cookies are my least favorite thing. It's like, why? I thought there were going to be chocolate chips in these cookies, but y'all put raisins. It's fruit. Like, you fooled me. I thought I was going to get some chocolate goodness. All right, I need to calm down. So I'm using the Shea Moisture Deep Marshmallow treatment. There's like marshmallow, like licorice. Something's going on in here that like it makes me want to eat the hair. Please don't eat the hair. Actually, please don't put marshmallows in your hair. If y'all go and melt some Jet Puffs, put it in your hair, I'm going to be really disappointed. I'm looking at you. I'm going to be real disappointed if you make that decision. Basically, I'm just splitting my hair into segments. You could do however as many or few as you want to. And then I take those segments, I split it in half, and then we are twisting. And we're apparently falling asleep while we're doing this. So basically, you twist in opposite directions each chunk, and then as you're twisting them, you twist those together. So we twist outward and then cross over and twist again. And you keep doing this, and because you're twisting in opposite directions, that's what keeps the style apart. And this is just really getting really tiring. Oh, stay with it, stay with it, stay with it. Okay. I'll sing a song. I think I was actually singing as Superfruit right now. Has anybody listened to that album? I'm kind of way into it. Yeah. I literally came close. I came so close to breaking down into full tears. Because I realized that this process is never going to end. Like this, my life has led me to this moment right here. And there is no getting back from this. I've made decisions that brought me to this point, and there's no turning around. This is what my life is going to be twisting my hair forever and ever and ever. Oh, you know what? Actually, this is that moment when I reached the final chunk of hair, and I was like, you know what? The end is in sight. I see the light. It is in the distance. They all told me, Spankie, just go to the light. Just go to the light, and you will do it. You can do it, girl. Make a little mustache, because apparently that's a good idea, too. Squeeze it out, and you know what? This is when you acknowledge to your friends who were hating on you, like, Spankie, you never gonna finish that. You know what? I see you. I see you, because I got through it, okay? I am right here. See, I got that last twist done. Look at us. We actually finished this hairstyle. And yes, Shanti, yes. Now she looking good, okay? I am kind of really feeling this. I was originally just going to do this as like an overnight style. But damn, with all that work, I'm about to wear this for some days. And days it was. I wore it for about 5, 6, 7 days. I don't know. And then this is the point where everything just really went downhill from here. So this is that moment where I was like, I'm going to take it off. I'm going to take these things down on camera. And then I'm going to have these like miraculously amazing bouncy curls because my hair has been in twists. I'm going to undo this and I'm going to have a whole nother week of hair. She's going to be looking real cute. I thought I was so clever, y'all. I thought I was so just... Everyone else was down here. I thought I was up here. I legit. So I started taking these things out. Then we go take it and. This is really hard to watch. Go, girl. No. Oh, this is just Oh, and she thought she would brush it. Somebody stop her. This is terrible. Okay. Oh, look, that's just, I don't know her. I don't know that. Oh, she take the coma. I don't know this girl. This was just all bad on all sides. Literally the only way that I was going to get these twisty tangles out was to go to my bucket method. For those of you who don't know, I have an entire video on this method, but this is literally the method that saves my hair from any disastrous situation. And it gets out all the tangles, so Auntie Spankie dunk her head, and now she's looking okay, and like all was well in the world. But, oh, I'm so glad that's over. Leave me comments down below. Let me know what kind of videos you want me to do next. I love you guys so much. I'll see you over here, smooches. Bye.